What's up guys? Apple released iOS 14 Beta 3 2 weeks after Beta 2. Alongside iOS, we also got updates to iPadOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Today we're going to mainly focus on iOS as we are going to look at what's new, the performance, the battery life, and some of the bugs. Further, the public beta should be receiving this update within the next few days. So let's take a look at the size first. So the update came in at about 700 megabytes on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This will of course vary depending on the device and from which software version you are coming from. Now if we head over into the settings, general about, and we can see that we're running 18A5332F, and the F at the end means that we can expect quite a few more betas down the line. A little lower, we can see that the modem firmware was also updated. It is now 1.50.20, which is updated for the 11 series. Of course, this build number will be different on different phones. Now let's take a look at some of the new changes. So the first change comes with Apple Music, and the Apple Music has changed the icon. That's pretty much it, and then some changes on the inside to how the entire thing looks. So these are some nice little additions here. Now in the widget section, we have a new size for Smart Stack. We get an extra large stack. Now we have also a new widget for the clock. So as you can see, this is the clock widget. We have this one. We can have the 4 different time zones one, and then the long one with also 4 different time zones, which is a nice little change here. Further, in the Apple Watch app, if you updated to watchOS 7, you will have hand washing reminders if you don't wash your hands within a few minutes after returning home. So for those that need to wash their hands, everyone should, especially now during the global pandemic. This will be really important if you forget easily to wash your hands. Now let's take a look at some of the bugs, because these are the features that I found so far, the main features here. Of course, I will keep you updated as I find more features, but in Beta 2, for example, sound recognition wouldn't work, so you couldn't use Hey Siri, but now it has been fixed in Beta 3. There are also some fixes for voiceover users. The weather widget is now fully fixed, so if I pull up the weather widget, let's go here. Where's the weather widget? As you can see, also this is one bug which I wanted to mention a little down the line. The weather widget doesn't really show up down here unless you go to the weather app. It's going to open this. Then you can go back to the widgets, and as you can see, the weather widget is back. So that's a little bug that you will get when you update to here. And now with the weather widget, it should be fully fixed. It will show you the location. It won't revert back to Cupertino or show anything blank anymore. However, there are still some widgets that exist here that go blank. In Beta 3, also, Apple disclosed that 3D Touch is temporarily unavailable, so those devices still using 3D Touch, that feature will be disabled temporarily. Now, I noticed that Facetime has many issues and has had many issues in iOS 14. For example, you cannot end the call, it crashes, and different things like that, including battery drain with Facetime. Now, in regards to performance in Beta 3 seems to be better. It seems like everything is just seamless, and like the animations are good and everything else feels smooth and actually faster. I mean, I believe the performance is really good, especially here on the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPad Pro running Beta 3. So there shouldn't be any problems with performance on this beta. Now, in terms of battery life has been okay for me. Definitely better in Beta 2 compared to Beta 1. But it is now very similar to what it was on iOS 13.6. So in Beta 3, I would not expect any significant change in regards to battery life, but it might get a little bit better or just remain the same as on Beta 2. Now, should you update? Yes, you should definitely update. There are new features, some bug fixes, better performance, maybe potentially better battery life, and so much more to explore on Beta 3. So it'll be a very good update to update to. Well, if you enjoyed the video, then please do leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Also, if you missed my previous video, then please click the card shown up there. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.